Hello, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, today we will be trimming flowers. Well, most of you go as far as looking for who to trim your flowers for you or paying outsiders for something you can just easily do at home by yourself. So, today let's watch how she does it.
Today, we're going to learn how to trim flowers. Actually, I wanted someone to cut it for me, but let me not lie, the price was very, very high. So I just said to myself, why don't you try it and see how it goes? All I did was just to get the stick, the flower trimmer, the scissors, and here we are. Well, it's not that really hard, although it's hard, but it's not that hard. All you just have to do is concentrate and not to use all your powers, I mean your muscles to do it. You just do it simple, just very careful so you don't wound yourself as well. You just do it slowly, small, small. They say what men can do, a woman can do it better. Well, a woman can try you, but in some cases we can do better, but in some cases not better. Fact, our men, they are trying. We just have to be giving them hand there. We just have to be praising them, even they are close to us or they are not close to us. But for the fact that they are working for us or render some kind of services to us, we just have to appreciate them. It's not easy. It's not easy, but it's good doing it though. I enjoy doing it. Burning some fat, doing some exercise is good, and also keeping my compound clean, because it's not always that money will be flowing in someone's hand. So just, I really enjoyed doing it today. It's good. I hope you guys can see me and try someday. Maybe you might have the money, but you might just want to try it and see how it goes and how it feels to trim your flowers yourself. I hope this is just so bushy. So today is working day for me.
This is also part of exercise. So, don't forget to exercise with this. So, yeah, we're done. Hmm. Neatly done. Well, maybe not better, but neatly done. Same way the person you paid to do it will do it for you. That's how we got it neatly done. And this is part of exercise. Thanks for staying us. Thanks for staying with us today. Have a nice day. Bye.